Guys, this is the video to learn how to use ceiling and floor function in Excel. We have some example data. Firstly, I will clear all. Now to use the ceiling function, equal ceiling CE and double click it. Select two requirement. So firstly, this first select the number, then comma. Now significance like 5. Press enter and here double click on this corner. For floor, equal floor, double click on floor, select the number, comma, and select the significance like 5. Press enter. Now double click this corner. That's it. So thanks for watching.